I think that'll do. Just a couple of points I found with this little train. It's got rubber tyres on the back here, and they do slide out a little bit, and then there's a gap between the edge or the flange and the rubber, and it gets caught in the track. It jams it up. And then the other problem is this on-off switch. It's just a little friction thing, and it doesn't make a very good contact. I suppose over the years, I don't suppose this is very old to be honest, but it's lost its tension. So I've actually bent it out like that to try and put a bit more tension onto it. But that was another problem, so it was going around the bends, it was actually vibrating loose, and it was losing power. So the distance between those wheels is right on the limit for this bend. It tends to bind going round the bend anyway. Then added to that, those rubber tyres were slipping out and it was digging into the track anyway. And then that bit is very light, it's not making a very good contact. But other than that, it does work. So, a fun little kit. For £1, no idea. Oh, I can see. Original price £7. £7 pushing it a bit, trading on nostalgia. £1 in a charity shop, probably about right. I'll just take this apart so we can actually see inside, because I don't think I showed it at the beginning. You squeeze it here to release the catches. Single AA battery. An electric motor, which we can probably open up. So you can see there's just straight metal connectors. The negative along here, through there, onto the switch, which is just a simple bit of bent metal. And then the other end of that comes up inside to here. Can we pull the motor out? Yes, gently. We need to turn it at the same time because it's a worm gear. Can we release it? That's it. Oh, it's just a very tight fit in there, I think. Yeah, that's all that was. Oh, I think if we get rid of that hair, it's going to go a bit faster, isn't it? Yeah. I'll just pull this out the way, it's just plastic. You can see the switch easier. I've actually rebent that so it's got more tension in it. Right, pop the top back on again. Well, that was worth taking apart just to clear all that hair out. Well, it's certainly taking the bends easier now. Yeah, I think cleaning that hair out of the motor has improved it. That'll do. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.